for now I'm going to apply a fast blur. Drag it onto the clip and let go. Straight away up here in the effect window you can see that the effect which you've applied to this layer is now up here, and this area is basically where you control the parameters of the effect. And if I go to blurriness here, it's at 0, so nothing's happening. If I crank this up, we're going to see, you know, the obvious blurring effect. And if I click on repeat edge pixels, we're going to kind of block off the sides. Just show you what that does. Okay, so that's how you apply an effect, you know, and I could apply any number of radical effects. Let's bring a color correction. Let's bring I don't know, tint. Drag it on, and now we've tinted the video black and white. And as you can see now, we have the two effects represented here. If you want to disable an effect, just click the effects and the effect will be disabled, and then click it back on, just like clicking the things here. Now the thing is, with effects, they're very rarely going to look good unless you animate them, and that brings us to the last part that I want to get into, which is animating. Any function, and this is very important, this is probably the key to the whole program, any function in After Effects can usually be animated. If we twirl down this back to the transform, even something as simple as the position, the scale, everything can be animated. And if something can be animated, it's represented by a little stopwatch, which you can see here. And as you can see, the stopwatches are here. Now these stopwatches, basically when you click, will record that moment in time, the parameter that you click, so in this case scale, it will record the state that it is at that very point in time. Now if I move on in time and maybe 2 seconds on here, or 4 seconds, and I move the scale up of the video like so, I'm going to disable these effects just so you can see what's going on. Can you see we've now got another diamond, and automatically it's kind of made another diamond. Now what does this mean? Now can you see if I twirl between these two, we have animation. Basically After Effects will always automatically calculate between these two diamonds, which are called keyframes. If they differ in values from here to here, then After Effects will automatically calculate a kind of interpolation between these two. And here we're doing it with scale, so we're slowly zooming in. If I bring this piece of video back, the most common one that you will see is the opacity. So if I twirl down, click on opacity, and you know, you can make this and then move it. So I